it's too long. There's and also the second point about it is that there are a lot of technical concepts there. If you try to make it simple for everyone to understand, maybe by removing things like AI for sentiment food analysis, try to reframe it like it can be understood by everyone because the target market, I think, is huge and those people, most of them don't understand all the technical stuff that you are using. That's my feedback about your one sentence speech. It's too long and it's a bit difficult to understand for some people in your target market. And about your team development team, uh, yeah, they are only engineers. And they're saying that your biggest challenge is iteration speed, so you are not going fast as you like. And what have you done about that, or what do you intend to do about that?
I intend to introduce local, since we are just starting, we can easily switch to a local solution rather than using traditional development. So we are going to do that at that time.
Okay, there are no risk involved.
No risk with local, no risk with
Okay, okay, thank you. So that was my feedback.
Will
So
you go next?
who is going next?
All right, let me go next. Okay, Oyemani is going next.
Good afternoon. My name is Onyemani Odo, founder of Amani Fresh World Limited. Amani Fresh World Limited is curating selections of natural makeup and skincare products for the African woman, prioritizing a natural finish look and prioritizing skincare and beauty enhancement. Our killer feature is one metric that matters is conversion rate, and then killer feature is skin tone matching. The step-by-step details is we ask the customer that wants our product to upload a picture, and then we'll use after uploading, we'll use we select three shades that are close to match with our matching tool, and then recommend the kind of product that is suitable for her skin type. Our product's capability, starting from product team, consists of software developers, beauty experts that can provide beauty tips, and also specialize in understanding skin tone. Our product stack platform like smart mixture of, like, for instance, Instagram, WhatsApp platform, and also our biggest challenge is being able to get that accurate matching of skin tone using our matching tool. Thank you.
So your comments, please.
Sorry?
Asking if someone has a comment.
Okay, okay.
So I would like that everyone involved, please.
Okay, I have
I'll
a
wait for
comment
the
for the
Sabine.
first slide. Yes. So I think the word curating should be replaced with something that is more simple. Like, I don't really understand what you mean by curating selection of natural makeup. So maybe we should use a simpler word instead. So I think that's just my feedback. So that people understand basically what you are doing. Are you creating it? Um are you going to the market to buy this particular one and selling? So like it needs to be simple. That's my feedback.
Okay. To respond to that, curating means your partitioning, if I were to use your language, meaning that I select in a particular brand all brands have a mixture of both natural and synthetic. So in a particular brand, I take just the natural product. That is curating. So it's creating a selection of just natural products. I take only the natural products. That's what it means.
So you are helping people to find or to you're helping people to identify the best cosmetic product adapted to their skin tone. Is it something like that?
Yes, I am. The focus is natural finish. So I am helping people. There's a growing trend towards natural makeup and skin prep products. So I'm helping people to achieve that natural finish look with focus on skin health, something that their skin will not react or be irritated by, and then just to enhance their
Okay,
natural beauty.
okay, I understand. So are you manufacturing the product or you are just reselling?
No, I'm not manufacturing.
So you are distributing.
Yes, sort of.
So you
I'm an
yes,
aggregator of service.
yeah. So you could have said that you are distributing cosmetic products that are adapted to skin tones of. You are distributing natural cosmetic product that is adapted to skin tone of everyone. Something like that. It's simple for
Okay,
it's simple to understand. And you can
no
now put
problem.
a lot of adjective or adverbs to make your solution wonderful. Maybe you are distributing the most natural cosmetic products available that match your skin tone. Something like that.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. And
Okay, so let's stop sharing.
about the killer feature, the fact that you tried that you said you are matching the skin tone is something good that I've seen that is good, but I will also suggest in addition if in addition to that you can also provide free samples so that the clients can test and feel it and with all the sense and testify that is something that is working and will work can make you convert a lot of customers more.
Okay, sir. All right, thank you so
And
much.
for yes, and for the third part that you said that the third part is a bit confusing. So I'm not, I don't understand the third part. The third part about your product development, you are just mentioning a platform. Are you doing a software platform? So I'm lost by where you are third slide.
Okay, the third one is talking about our product team, the team I'll be working with to achieve the targets. And that is the first one is product team that consists of software developers, people that are software gurus that can find their way around uploading products and be able to match these products with customers' pictures. And then also beauty experts that are working with assistants that are specialized in understanding skin tone. In skin tone, for skin tone, we have like different skin tones. We have red, yellow, white, and all that. People that can to understand the skin tone so that it will make the work easy and also would be able to reach our customers in time. And then the product stack is, well, I'm talking about the platforms we are going to use, like Instagram, WhatsApp platform, and also in the long run, a beauty tech solution offering these services. And then the biggest challenge for the third point in the third slide is that want to make sure that we are able to match this, we are accurate in matching this tone, their skin tone with the product tone.
So
Those are the 3 points.
yes, my suggestion is that you can solve the problem without even using the software. So I had a problem with that slide because the focus was on software, soft things. I think that I don't know if you have the software at the beginning, but the things that you can do manually at the beginning. So maybe rewriting it, maybe so that because when you presented it before, it was like you are just having soft solution. That's where the confusion was coming from.
Okay. This part is just to reach people that are not they are not physical customers. Our physical, I took your suggestion, which is to um, provide free samples for physical customers. Those ones are people that
Yeah.
we can reach physically.
Okay.
But
Okay.
for people that are not close by, people that could be in another country that would like to order for the products, we provide this so that we can be able to get the person's correct skin tone. So we don't have the mistake of sending and having to send back. That is extra expenses. So we are providing um, the customers with this team to make sure that this is achieved.
Okay. So you can maybe separate in two groups about the soft team and the physical team, maybe so that it can be very clear because as you have said, they are just working on the soft part. So there's also an offline part. So that was my
Okay, so
feedback. Thank you for your presentation.
thank you for your feedback.
Okay, my sport is going next.
Okay, all right. Let me share
Sorry?
my screen.
Okay.
Let me share my screen. Um, all right. So my sport is a talent hiring and upskilling platform that helps startups easily find, hire, and work with Nigerian creative talents in brand marketing, communications, and technology. For us, our killer feature would be the talent matchmaking, basically. And then the metrics we target would be the successful job matches we do. So user gets onboarded, user can be talent or business, and then businesses post jobs, that's number two, after which the matching is done. In the future, we can use AI algorithm but for now, once the job goes out, all talent gets instant notification that a job has been posted and they can get to apply. And once the talents apply, businesses on the other hand get an instant notification that somebody has applied, so they get to start sorting. So once sorting is done from number four, they can communicate through an inbuilt message system. They can communicate with the talents that, hey, we are interested in your job, and then they can go back and forth communicating until an interview is done. Once an interview is done, that's what the collaboration tool is about. Interview, you book meetings, you can call, you can do a video call and all that. And then the job is either an offer letter is sent for full-time jobs or for part-time and contract work. All of those things are arranged. But once the job is completed, it ends with a review and feedback. Okay.
Time up.
I was not even looking at the time. Okay, then. Yeah, but then our stack is just the founder and then developers, basically. All right, let me stop there.
Okay, someone to comment.
Mike said his system is running low, so he would like to go next so that he can present.
Okay, let him go next so we can now do both comments together. All right, Mike, please go ahead.
Okay, can I start?
Yes, please.
Okay, my name is Michael. My company, Stonix, is developing an app that reduces inconveniences by enabling users to order or locate petroleum products conveniently in real time, anywhere using their phone or computer. Our one metric that matters is purchase tracking system. It is a system that tracks purchases until delivery. And our killer feature is a hair technology that uses SkySat, Google Earth, GPS, vendors data and external information to track busy and free vendors and provide real feedback to user. How our application work is that when people buy product, they have to select order or locate. In whichever one they select, then they select product, then they on their location, select sellers, and then they get product. Our team is me myself, I'm a stack programmer, man stack programmer. I use MongoDB, Express.js, React and Node.js to develop my app. I have Mfonta, she's a front-end developer, and Yusuf Musalam, she's a back-end developer and also a front-end developer. And Ugo is a Lawrence, he's a full stack programmer. He uses HTML, CSS, PHP to develop applications. Was that clear?
Yes, he was, sir. He was.
We are starting by commenting Mike presentation.
Okay. For me, Mike, the killer feature was not to like there were a lot of technical work being used in that killer feature. I see something like here technology, I'm seeing satellites. It was not clear. Maybe if you just use simpler words so that it can be clearer. But I didn't understand what the killer feature was. Basically.
So we do you have something to say? Or Onoyemani?
Yeah, so I was going to talk about the one metric that matters. I don't think I got that also clearly enough. Is it okay for Mike to talk about that? Mike, can you hear us?
Yes. Mike, please go on. If he's not responding, maybe we can first focus back on your own presentation. So those will
Okay.
be and Oimani, do you have anything to say about this presentation before I share my feedback?
I don't have anything for now. I'll leave it to Dosobi.
Okay, thank you.
Amani, why are you leaving it to the sleep? Okay, for my sport, right? I think the only issue or the only problem I noticed was in the final slide. So the final slide didn't really show the problem that you are actually facing with your current development team. And I couldn't see if it was either a low code or no code or a traditional development method you are using to build the product. This was part of what was mentioned that we should actually make sure appears on that slide. So I think that's just my purpose.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. I will add also my comment. My comment is mostly about the killer feature. The killer feature was about exact matching, something that's good. But in addition, I think that also one of the things that also people are looking for is also the timing. Maybe I don't know on your platform, what is the speed at which you can connect maybe a freelancer with a company? What speed do you have to connect them? At what speed do you use? If you can do it maybe in one day, it will be something quite great. I don't know if it's
Okay.
possible.
Yes, so
Is it
once the
possible?
job is posted, yeah, it's possible because once talent starts applying, the CVs can be sorted on the go. And then every other process is just automated. So yes, it's possible.
So you can do the matching the same day.
Yes, it's possible. Yeah,
And
possible.
how will you do that? How will you do that?
So once the job is live, anybody can have access to it. And once a talent has access to it, it means they can apply on the go. Immediately they apply, the businesses get notified that they've been applying or the application has come for that job. Our businesses can start maybe reviewing their CV or checking portfolios and all that.
What do you do to facilitate or accelerate the business checking process so that they can complete the matching as soon as possible, even the same day? What feature on your product helps to accelerate that? I just want to understand
And for,
the
now,
feature.
just notifications that is sent to the businesses that talents have started applying for their jobs.
I don't know if it's possible, for example, to include maybe a summary, something that maybe the most important, maybe something like a summary of the applicant so that it can give maybe the person reviewing their profile to have and say a summarized information about them, about versus what they are looking, so that it can help them make a decision faster because you don't have time to be reading 1,000 series before making a decision. Even by just summarizing the main information, you can see if it's the right candidate or not.
Okay.
So that's my suggestion on that point.
Okay.
Something that can make your solution very welcome by a lot of customers because they are looking to also save their time. Also, in addition to saving their cost, they want to save their time because they are spending a lot of hours so by just reviewing. Is something that I see. It's a task that a lot of business are trying to automate, even with AI, to see even when you are submitting your CV, they have their automated AI that can pre-select the CVs or and reject some. So that will easily facilitate. So maybe when you are sending them maybe application, you have to do something, a curated list of application. Maybe once they apply, I don't know if there will be someone at the back end who will select maybe the best 10 or best 20 applicants to submit, or if you are just sending the 1,000 applicants to the business, it might be painful for them to follow up on the whole process.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm thinking about that.
All right, sir. That's noted.
So I don't have any other thoughts. So is Michael back?
No, Michael is not.
Okay. So the floor is up to everyone if you have something to say.
Oh, yeah, man, we can't hear
Nothing else
you. You're
from me.
muted. You're muted. Are you saying anything?
Oh, sorry. No, I was just saying it was a good presentation. It's just, yeah, at least I was able to follow. It's just that I don't have experience in the area, so I may not be able to give much.
Okay, and then I remember something. So Yemanima, I remember I was watching, I think it was this random IG view, and I think there's a technology, I think it's in China that for women, it basically just takes your skin tone through AI
Okay.
and then develops the specific match for your either lipstick or face or facial or everything. A whole set develops it
Yeah.
instantly for you. Yeah.
Okay.
And I think that that would be novel if it comes to Africa. Definitely not even in Africa for now, because that's like China and Japan and all. Maybe,
Okay.
I don't know. Yeah, maybe you should try to do a research on what is obtainable. Such products can really be a game changer. Because I don't
Okay.
necessarily, I don't know I don't know your technique when it comes to curation and matching yet. But just so you know, there is a technology that can do that now, and then it's very active. It's very active now, so you can look into
Yeah.
that.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much for that.
And I just have one question for you. So about your product. So how do you make sure that the cosmetic that you are proposing is the best one adapted to the skin tone? Is it based on the composition, or is there any other stuff that you need to make sure that it's a good one?
I don't think she had. Hey, Manny, that's to you. That's a question to you. I don't think she had.
Yes,
Sorry, I didn't hear that. Sorry,
yes.
I
My
didn't hear that.
last question was that how do you make sure that the cosmetic is the right one that fits maybe certain skin tone?
Okay, how do I make sure it fits? Okay,
Yes.
so it's just what Toby suggested was just an advanced method of achieving what we do. When for instance, if the for the makeup to fit for physical client customers, we do it like a swatch, three different close tone shade of, for instance, if we pick foundation, three different tones. The one that sinks into, you don't even see that there's any product on the face, is what matches the skin tone. But for those people that are far, that we are using the matching tool, when they send their pictures, we place the foundation shades on the picture. We take the picture out, we place the foundation shade on the picture. The one that is seamless, the one that looks like there's nothing on the skin, on the picture, is what we choose. That's how we match the foundation to know if the foundation is a person's skin color.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Is okay, what's her name? Data Colo has gone out. Is out of the, I thought she was here.
Okay. So if we are finished, I think we should join the main room.
All right,
So
guys.
thank
Thank you
you,
so
everyone.
much. Thank you,
Okay.
sir. Sure.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you
Okay.
so
Thank
much.
you.
Where